So we've been looking at energy and work. And what I wanted to show you is this thing right here called the Work-Energy Theorem. It's kind of cool, actually. What it says is that, well, I mean, if you haven't already guessed, energy and work are, let's say, well, they're totally tied together. I mean, if you have energy, you have work. So what I wanted to do is just define it here and just tell you about it. So energy and work are totally tied together. We could say this then, the amount, maybe this is the right way to define it here. So we could say the amount of energy that's transferred, I'll just write that down, so transferred equals the amount of work done. So if you have actually transferred energy, from one form to another, then that means you've actually done work. So you can calculate then, well, if you know how much energy you've transferred, then you know how much work you've done. Or conversely, if you know the work done, then you know the energy transferred. This is really pretty simple, but it's actually really important. So this right here, this is the Work-Energy Theorem. We could say, work equals energy. Well, not quite, but work is pretty much the same as energy. When I say pretty much, it's just because, well, work done equals energy transferred. So work is pretty much the same as energy. So that's really helpful for us. So we can look at, well, it turns out when we have questions when we're relating things to power, it turns out we're going to look at power, and it's going to be defined as, work done over a certain time. But that's also going to be the same as the energy transferred over a certain time. So this idea of relating work and energy is going to come in really, really handy. So although this is a very short little video, it means a lot for us. So we're going to see this come up over and over again. But the important thing is just that the work done is equal to the energy transferred. That's the Work-Energy Theorem.